fun.
We are at Bridgeport Village right now, celebrating the holidays with a bunch of our friends. Look who's here. Deb, tell us who's here.
This is Olaf, and he loves warm hugs. And of course, Elsa's on the other side of you.
Elsa likes warm hugs as well.
Okay,
All right,
well,
Elsa.
let's keep going. So,
Okay,
kids
that's a
that
little
are joining us as well, we'll give you guys some candy canes.
Oh.
Yeah?
Wait a minute.
Here you go. Here you go. Oh, that one's broken. Here, have one.
Did you guys see Santa yet? Your line see Santa?
Yeah.
It went to us first.
Absolutely. Are you guys excited to see Santa too?
Yeah.
Are you? What are you going to ask for Christmas?
Oh, what?
Lego sets.
Lego sets. Yay. How about you? Easy baking.
Oh, that's a good one.
Okay.
That's a good one.
What
Connor,
about
how
you,
about
buddy?
you? Xbox.
Yeah, that's my man.
Stepping it up.
Okay.
We're going to be out here all night long out of Bridgeport.
Yes, can you guys do me a favor? Everybody at once say, celebrating the holidays. You ready? 1, 2, 3.
Celebrating the holidays.